Good morning, my dear students. Good morning. Friedel-Crafts reaction once again. Repeat now. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction. 2 degree or 3 degree alkyl halide. 3 degree alkyl halide react with Lewis acid. 3 degree alkyl halide react with AlCl3. AlCl3 behave as a Lewis acid. Electron accepting group. Electron acceptor group. AlCl3 Lewis acid and electron acceptor group. Chlorine electron accepting group. AlCl3 electron accepting group, Lewis acid and chlorine out of tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Cl out and chlorine acceptor of 2 electrons, then tertiary butyl halide convert to tertiary butyl carbocation and AlCl4 negative. AlCl4 negative. Okay. Benzene react with CH3 C CH3 positive. Benzene react with CH3 C CH3 and CH3 positive. Then benzene break down into 2 parts. Double bond break into 2 parts and positive ions and negative ions. So carbocation attack on benzene carb anion ions. It gives positive and hydrogen CH3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, positive and negative neutral. So positive hydrogen CH3 का whole 4. Total number of bonds on carbon 1 2 3 and 4. हाइड्रोजन से इसे बैलेंस कर दिया. कार्बोकेटाइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट कार्बोकेटाइन रिप्रेजेंट ऑफ रेजोनेंस, देन डबल बॉन्ड पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड हाइड्रोजन CH3 का होल थ्राइस. ओके, अगेन डबल बॉन्ड पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ पर, डबल बॉन्ड पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड हाइड्रोजन CH3 का होल थ्राइस. एरेनियम ions by resonance. Areninium ions by resonance. Any aromatic compounds present of carbocation is called areninium ions. Benzene पॉजिटिव चार्ज, हाइड्रोजन CH3 का होल थ्राइस, double bond, double bond, react with AlCl4, react with AlCl4, 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 react with AlCl4, then AlCl4 negative, H positive ions donate electrophile attack on AlCl4 negative, then give to AlCl3 plus HCl, AlCl3 plus HCl, AlCl3 plus H and 1 Cl, HCl. Hydrogen, when hydrogen remove, then carbon on negative charge, positive and negative make a double bond, positive and negative make a double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond, and CH3 का होल थ्राइस, टर्सरी ब्यूटिल बेंजीन, टर्सरी ब्यूटिल बेंजीन. Okay, next reaction, very important, elimination reaction. Elimination reaction B, second part, elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. What is a elimination reaction? In an elimination reaction, two substituents are removed from a molecules. Two substituents are removed. कितने? How many? Two substituents are removed from a molecules with the formation of multiple bond. Multiple bond means double bond or triple bond. When alcoholic KOH react with alkyl halide, when alcoholic KOH react with alkyl halide, HX molecules is removed by beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination and alkenes is formed. So in this reaction, hydrogen atoms is removed from adjacent carbon atoms with respect to carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen atoms. Therefore, it is known as beta elimination reaction. In an elimination reaction, two substituents are removed. Elimination reaction R CH2 CH2 Cl react with alcoholic KOH, alpha and beta. From alpha removed of Cl, from beta remove of hydrogen, HCl out, HCl out. So in a elimination reaction, two substituents are removed from a molecules. Two substituent hydrogen and Cl. Two substituents are removed from a molecules. Molecules means chloroalkane. Two substituents are removed a molecules with the formation of from alpha remove of hydrogen and remove of hydrogen from beta, remove of hydrogen from beta, then form of alkene CH double bond CH2 R CH double bond, one electron H positive and Cn negative, H positive, then give negative charge Cn negative, then positive charge, positive and negative बैक बॉन्डिंग करके वापस क्या बना लेगा, डबल बॉन्ड. तो R सिंगल बॉन्ड CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2, Cn नेगेटिव H पॉजिटिव, Cn नेगेटिव H पॉजिटिव, H पॉजिटिव, देन carbon on negative charge and Cn negative, then carbon on positive charge. Negative charge फिर से बैक बॉन्डिंग करते ही मेक ए डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म्ड. तो आर सी एच डबल बॉन्ड CH2, आर सी एच डबल बॉन्ड CH2, एल्किन्स. ओके. क्लोरो एल्केन रिएक्ट विद एल्कोहलिक KOH, स्पेशल एल्कोहलिक KOH, नॉट एक्वस KOH, एल्कोहलिक KOH. एल्केन alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH then give to alkenes. So in a elimination reaction, two substituents are removed from a molecules with the formation of a multiple bond. Multiple bond means double bond or triple bond. When alcoholic KOH react with alkyl halide, alcoholic KOH react with alkyl halide, alcoholic KOH react with alkyl halide. HX molecules, HCl molecules or HX molecules is removed by beta elimination reaction. Alpha halogen से connected first carbon alpha carbon and hydrogen से connected beta carbon, hydrogen से connected carbon beta carbon. Then from remove of chlorine alpha carbon and hydrogen remove from beta carbon, then give to double bond or triple bond, formation of multiple bond. It is called beta elimination reaction. In this reaction, hydrogen atoms is removed from adjacent carbon of beta carbon, hydrogen remove of adjacent carbon of beta carbon with respect to carbon atom bonded to halogen atoms, to carbon atom bonded two halogen atoms alpha carbon. Therefore it is known as beta elimination reaction. Beta eliminate means one molecules remove, two substituents are removed, one molecules remove, HCl remove, HX remove, then called is beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction, and HX is removed from alkyl halide, so process is known as elimination reaction. Once again, next example, CH3 CH2 Cl, CH3 CH2 Cl, CH3 CH2 Cl. Remove of chlorine from alpha carbon and alpha carbon next carbon beta carbon. Hydrogen remove of beta carbon from alpha Cl, from beta hydrogen. Remove of beta from beta hydrogen and remove of chlorine from alpha carbon. Then remove of HCl molecules in a alkyl halide and alpha से Cl, beta से hydrogen, then give to CH2 double bond CH2, one hydrogen remove and chlorine remove, hydrogen CH2 and hydrogen, HCl out, CH2 double bond CH2, alpha and beta in between double bond connected of alpha and beta, CH2 double bond CH2, ethene. Okay, next example, CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3 react with alcoholic KOH. Br connected which carbon? Alpha carbon, and next carbon beta carbon, and next carbon beta dash carbon. Remove of bromine from alpha carbon and remove of hydrogen from beta carbon, then give to alkene CH2, one hydrogen remove, alpha and beta connected double bond, in between alpha and beta connected double bond, CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3 plus maybe possibility from remove of bromine alpha carbon and remove of hydrogen from beta dash carbon, then give to it gives CH3 CH, Br removed and hydrogen removed, alpha and beta, in between alpha and beta double bond connected, CH double bond CH single bond CH3, अल्फा से ब्रोमीन, बीटा से हाइड्रोजन, अल्फा से ब्रोमीन, बीटा से हाइड्रोजन रिमूव, देन अल्फा एंड बीटा, in between alpha and beta connected with double bond, next alpha carbon and beta dash carbon, alpha से Br, बीटा से हाइड्रोजन, L connected in between alpha and beta double bond, CH3 CH double bond CH2 CH3, CH3 CH double bond CH3. This types reaction of elimination reaction, beta elimination reaction, alcoholic KOH in presence alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH, important है alcoholic KOH, very very important, alcoholic KOH. These alkyl halide react with alcoholic KOH, then give to alkenes, it is called beta elimination reaction. Okay, next reaction, but CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3 minor product and CH3 single bond CH double bond CH, CH3 major product, because major product because CH2 double bond CH2 from connected of alkyl groups in on alkenes, from alkyl groups connected with alkenes, only one substituent, but alkyl groups connected with alkene, alkyl group substituent, two substituents are connected with alkene groups, from alkene groups या two alkene groups, two substituent, alkyl groups connected with alkene, only one substituent, and two alkyl groups connected or two substituent are connected with alkenes groups, two substituent are connected with alkenes groups, two, but one substituent are connected with alkene, only one. So more substituent present in alkenes, then product is major product. This is product of major product and main product of major product. ओके, इस रिएक्शन के अंदर आपको वही मेजर मिलेगा जिसके अंदर नंबर ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट मैक्सिमम है, नंबर ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट मैक्सिमम इस कंपाउंड्स के अंदर है, इसके अंदर मतलब 1 है, इसके अंदर 2 है, इसका मतलब मेजर प्रोडक्ट ये हो जाएगा. ओके, मिक्सर फॉर्म आएगा आपके पास, मिक्सर. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3 react with alcoholic KOH. CH3 CH Br CH2 CH3 react with alcoholic KOH. What is the product A? Next example, CH3 CH2 C CH3 Cl CH3 plus alcoholic KOH. What is the product A? From connected chlorine, from chlorine connected with carbon, alpha carbon, and next carbon beta carbon. अल्फा कार्बन जिससे क्लोरीन कनेक्टेड है, अल्फा कार्बन, नेक्स्ट कार्बन बीटा कार्बन, कार्बन एंड CH3, अल्फा कार्बन, नेक्स्ट कार्बन बीटा डैश कार्बन. ओके, कार्बन अल्फा कार्बन एंड नेक्स्ट कार्बन बीटा डैश कार्बन, बट बीटा डैश कार्बन and beta dash carbon same carbon, so use of only one beta dash carbon, use of only beta dash, only one beta dash carbon, beta dash carbon and beta dash carbon, beta dash carbon. बीटा एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन में ओनली ऑफ ओनली आपको वन ही बीटा डैश कार्बन यूज मिलेंगे. CH3 CH2 CCl CH3 CH3, remove of chlorine from alpha carbon and remove of hydrogen from beta carbon, remove of chlorine from alpha carbon and remove of hydrogen beta carbon, and remove of chlorine alpha carbon and remove of hydrogen beta dash carbon. So form product, two mixture product, major product and minor product, form of product, mixture product and major product and minor product. CH3 CH2 C CH3 CH3 Cl, then CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2, but hydrogen remove of beta carbon, hydrogen remove from beta carbon, one hydrogen remove, and chlorine connected of alpha carbon, remove of chlorine from alpha carbon, alpha and beta, alpha and beta, alpha and beta connected with double bond carbon, CH3 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 alkenes plus beta dash carbon, alpha carbon, alpha and beta connected with double bond, remove of hydrogen and chlorine molecules, CH3 CH2 single bond, CH3 CH2 single bond, C double bond CH3, C double bond CH3 CH2, sorry CH2, one hydrogen remove on of CH2 CH3 molecules, CH2 single bond CH3, second molecules alkenes. But according to Sadjap rules, which major product of number of substituent maximum, one product of major product, those product of major product, CH3 CH double bond C CH3 CH3 and CH3 CH2 single bond C double bond CH2 CH3, number of substituent connected with alkynes group, connected with alkenes molecules, alkenes C double bond CH, alkenes, number of substituent are connected with the alkenes 1 2 3, 3 substituent, but alkenes groups, number of substituent connected with alkenes groups 1 and 2 substituents, 2 substituents, 3 substituents connected with alkenes groups and 2 substituent connected with alkenes groups, so 3 substituent major product and 2 substituent minor product, according to Sadjap rule, according to Sadjap rule, according to Sadjap rules. What is Sadjap rules? If two isomeric alkenes are formed, two isomeric alkenes are formed, isomeric 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4, 2 numbers पे डबल बॉन्ड, 1 2 3 4, 1 numbers पे डबल बॉन्ड, 1 numbers पे डबल बॉन्ड and 2 numbers पे डबल बॉन्ड. So if two isomeric alkenes are formed during the elimination reaction, two isomeric, if two isomeric alkenes are formed during the beta elimination reaction, then more alkyl group substitute alkenes are formed, then more alkyl group substitute then more alkyls substituents alkenes is formed as a major product. It is known as Sadzev rule. It is known as Sadzev rule. If two isomeric alkenes are formed during the beta elimination reaction, then more alkyls substituent alkenes is formed. More alkyl substituent, more alkyl 3 substituent, but इस एल्कीन के अंदर ओनली 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स. सो मोर एल्काइल सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स एल्कीन्स इज फॉर्म्ड एज ए मेजर प्रोडक्ट. इट इज नोन एज Sadzev rule. It is known as Sadzev rule. Okay. Questions. First question. CH3 CH3 and Cl react with alcoholic KOH and aqueous KOH. What is the product A and B? Very, very important question. Tertiary butyl chloride react with alcoholic KOH. What is the product A? And tertiary butyl chloride react with aqueous KOH. It gives to B. What is the B? What is the IPAC name of B? Okay. Next question. Second. PR react with alcoholic KOH and aqueous KOH. What is the product A and B? Question number 3rd. BR alcoholic KOH and aqueous KOH. What is product A and B? Question number 4. CH3 CH2 C CH3 CH2 CH3 BR alcoholic KOH. What is product A? Okay. Tertiary butyl chloride react with alcoholic KOH, aqueous KOH. What is product A and B? 1-bromocyclohexane react with alcoholic KOH and aqueous KOH. What is product A and B? What is the IPAC name of product A and B? Next, third question. 1, 2 methyl group and bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 bromo, 2 chloro cyclohexane. 1 bromo, 2 chloro नहीं, 2 methyl. 1 bromo, 2 methyl cyclohexane. 1 bromo, 2 methyl cyclohexane react with alcoholic KOH and aqueous KOH. What is the IPAC name of A and B? CH3 CH2 CH3 C CH2 CH3. 3 bromo. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 bromo, 3 methyl. 3 bromo, 3 methyl mate 8 pro-bute pentane. 3 bromo, 3 methyl pentane. What react with alcoholic KOH What is the product A? Write the IPC name of product A. Okay. Next reaction, reaction with metal. Third reaction, C. Reaction with metal. Reaction with metal. Reaction with metals. First reaction, Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Reaction with metal, Wurtz reaction, fitting reaction, Wurtz fitting reaction. Wurtz reaction, fitting reaction, and Wurtz reaction. The first reaction is Wurtz reaction. What is the Wurtz reaction? When two molecules are react. When two molecules of alkyl halide react with sodium metals in presence of dry ether. When two molecules of alkyl halide. Two molecules of alkyl halide. Two molecules of alkyl halide. When two molecules of alkyl halide react with sodium metal. React with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether. Then alkanes is formed. Then alkane is formed. When two alkyl groups are react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, alkanes is formed. Okay, two alkyl groups RX plus Na. Okay, 1 Rx and 2 Rx. So use of metal 2. Use of metal 2. 2 sodium. Then remove of 2 NaX in presence of dry ether. R and R single bond R plus 2 NaX. 2 NaX. RR alkane. RR alkane. So 2 Rx plus sodium in presence of dry ether then give to alkanes. Two alkyl halide react with sodium in presence of dry ether, alkanes are formed. Okay, RX. Two alkyl halides react with 2 sodium in presence of dry ether, alkanes. R single bond R, alkanes is formed plus 2 NaX. Alkane only 1 carbon, so 2 carbon. So number of carbon atoms in alkanes are double. Number of carbon atoms, only 1 alkyl groups inside of a product 2 alkyl groups. So number of carbon atoms in alkane are double of number of carbon atom present in alkyl halide. Number of carbon atoms in alkanes. Number of carbon atoms in alkanes are double of number of carbon atom present in alkyl halide. Number of carbon atoms alkanes are double of number of carbon atoms present in alkyl halide. Okay. So next example. CH2X plus 2 mole of CH2X, then react with 2Na, 2NaX out. Okay, it gives CH2 single bond CH2. Okay, second reaction, Wurtz reaction, fitting reaction. Wurtz reaction, fitting reaction. Two aryl halide react with two aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, two aryl halide react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, then give to Cl, to Na, to NaCl out. So Cl plus 2Na, 1 chlorobenzene, to NaCl out in presence of dry ether, then give to benzene, single bond connected with single bond. Biphenyl. Okay, Wurtz reaction. Next, third reaction, Wurtz-Fitting reaction. Wurtz-Fitting reaction. Wurtz-Fitting reaction. Wurtz-Fitting reaction. Wurtz means alkyl halide, Rx plus fitting means aryl halide. React with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Wurtz means alkyl halide and fitting means aryl halide, aromatic halide or aryl halide in react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Then alkyl halide 2NaNaX out, benzene connected with R group. Okay, so example, CH3Cl react with chlorobenzene. CH3Cl and chlorobenzene react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. What is the product A? So Cl plus 2 sodium react with CH3Cl, CH3 out of 2 NaCl in reactant side. Dry ether in presence of dry ether, then benzene connected with CH3. What is the product? Name of general product of benzene CH3? Methyl benzene toluene. Methyl benzene toluene. Okay, Wurtz reaction, Wurtz-Fitting reaction and fitting reaction. Wurtz reaction में only two alkyl halide, only alkyl halide. Use only alkyl halide in reactant side. But fitting reaction in reactant side only use of aryl halide. And Wurtz-Fitting reaction, Wurtz means alkyl halide in reactant side, alkyl halide of reactant side, aryl halide of reactant side and alkyl halide of reactant side with connected sodium presence of sodium metals react with dry ether. Wurtz-Fitting reaction, alkyl halide and aryl. Wurtz means alkyl halide and fitting means aryl halide react with sodium metal. In presence of dry ether. Then give to alkyl benzene. Wurtz-Fitting reaction, very important. Wurtz-Fitting reaction. How to formation of toluene? Question number first. How to formation of toluene? How to obtain? Question number first. How to obtain? Question number first. How to obtain CH3 toluene? Second, biphenyl. And alkane. double carbon. How to obtain toluene, biphenyl, and third question alkanes, double carbon alkanes. Okay.